We are at Paz Apartments, 3 buildings in the Logan Square community of Chicago that Elevate has helped us electrify, putting in air source heat pumps for heat and air conditioning and brand new electric stoves.
We are in the room that gives the hot water to La Paz, which is Bickerdike's multifamily center for about 44 families.
When we did our first homes with Elevate for Electrification, the people, like maybe a month later, a lady called me and she's like, I used to always have headaches. I don't have headaches anymore. She said, I want to thank you. I'm like, oh, I thought something was wrong. You know, nobody ever calls to thank us. But you know, it's probably one of the best feelings that we've got out of electrification is how the people feel when we're done.